Fish on! I got fish that say the calm down, mama.
Off the way.
Calm down. Look at that woman. Woo! Fish on.
Okay, that way.
Okay. Fish on.
I'm gonna tangle.
Just pick a side you want to come. Wait for the wave. Fish on. Good job, Mamacita.
It's a.
Mama, here goes that fish. Fish on.
Whoa.
Fish on. Fish on. Oh yeah. Come on this side. Fish on.
No, you tangled the other one.
No, it's not.
Tangle yours.
Oh, it's fine. Just keep fighting it. Just keep fighting it.
This one's strong.
Mm-hmm. Big. It's
I'm
big.
using my chest.
Some of them are big like that. Whoa.
Okay. Whoa.
Whoa, careful.
It's going.
Just take your time. Take your time. It's a good size one. Whoa.
When you want to come up, boy?
Oh my!
Whoa! Come on the net. Good job. Good netting.
That's the breed. Hey, fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on. Fish on. Hey, your fish is up. Fish on. Fish on. Good job, mama. Somebody got fish on.
I got it.
I got it, huh? Oh. No, that's a small one.
Fish.
Today is green day. Oh, always coming through. Fish on. Hello, Red Pole. He didn't get a boat in he didn't get a fish in a boat yet. He's not satisfied. It looked like that. I missed it. Oh.
Oh, let's sip at it. Mama! Almost.
In the bag. One in the bag. Coming. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, fish off. Remember I told you it was toing? Fish on.
No, go that way. Ah, he wanted to come this way.
Yeah, just let him. If you post too high, he's gonna jump, huh?
Which way?
No,
Fish?
go that way, go that way.
Mama, 2 fish.
2 fish, double. Oh. Is that a double?
Yeah.
Let me
Double,
see.
guys.
Double fish, guys, on one pole.
Don't put it off yet. Don't put it off yet. Let them see first.
Okay.
Okay, let them see the fish first.
Right there, guys. Bam, bam. Double fish.
Oh, we finally got double.
Okay. Okay, guys. I gotta put the camera down. I got a net.
You need 2 nets. Yeah, get 1 net in one hand. Get. Let's still fight here. Yeah. 2 fish in 1 pole. Double.
2 fish in 1 pole.
Yeah. 2 fish in 1 pole. Double.
Missed it.
Redemption!
Red pole redemption. Red pole. Red pole redemption. Watch out for the waves. Oh, he's way over there. He's coming. He's coming. Red pole redemption. Red pole redemption. Pole redemption.
Wow, pretty.
Fish on, guys. What the heck? You lifted over the pole, over the net. Oh man, that was funny. I know, it jumped over the net. Fighter!
Kung Fu Fighter.
Oh no, I gotta redo this one now. Oh no. Ah, the hook got off. No, it's not.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, the baby.
It's not a baby.
Actually, we could scrape it tomorrow. Right there, fish on. See? Ah, got it. Fish on. Ooh, he's heavy. He ain't coming.
Oh, see the fish. Oh, right there, it jumped. Oh, cái thing come out. I know. Size of fish. 2-pound fish. Oh, right there.
I jumped on double bite when I saw it bite, but it was so lit, and then it stopped and then it came back. Right there, right there. Red redemption. Redemption on the black pole. Don't forget Bobby Long. Top pole for long.
Can you help me with the camera, please?
Oh yeah. Fish on, guys, fish on. Đợi nhận nó, triple. Double, boys.
I got double in
Hey,
the...
hold on. Hon, go this way. Yeah, so that way you go under my my line.
You didn't get the net.
I got it.
Get the net. Double, guys.
Double to action.
Ready?
Yeah. Come this way. Come this way. Under. Yeah. No, put your bow under first. Put your pole under first. There you go. Just leave it. He'll be fine. Red pole redemption. Double. Oh no. I thought that was a fish.
I thought that was a big fish.
Oh, that's a monster. That's a big boy.
Wait.
That's a big boy.
Wait.
I see him.
It's flying.
That's a big boy. Oh, smash. That's a big boy.
Ready?
I'm getting him. I'm getting him. That's a big boy. That is a big boy.
Big, 2 pounds and a half.
At least 2 pounds plus. That's a big boy right there. I don't care if my wrist hurt.
Double! Look at it. I got double on, guys.
I don't even care if my wrist hurt.
No, don't do the top. You're gonna dry.
Oh, he's gonna drive up the top?
Yeah.
Oh, then just leave it.
Fish.
I didn't even look. Whoa. Take my whole pole. Whoa, look. Take my whole pole.
You fish are over there.
Alright. Fish on. We can't leave, huh? Oh, right there. Fish on. Finally. Hey. Fish on.
Where's your fish?
Way at the bottom.
Want to say anything to that?
Huh?
Want to put it in there?
Say anything?
You want to say anything?
Yeah. Today was a successful, a nice day of shad fishing. Nice weather.
Never had triple on your pole?
Oh yeah. And I caught a triple on one pole. That's pretty amazing. I mean, you can't get more than that, so that's pretty awesome.
And your wife caught double?
Oh yeah. And then my wife caught doubles. Man, we killed it.
The rest is all
But we didn't get our
singles.
limit though. Nowhere close to our limit. Everybody, it's pretty slow still. I mean,
Still good.
it's still good, but a lot of people consider it slow.
Going home. See you later. Peace out. Like, subscribe. Hello?
Later, guys. Peace out.
Like,
Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Love you. Bye-bye.
Really? Who you love?
Wow.
Are you sure?